Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Giddyup, this affiliate network, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to generate some money on the internet? What is this all about? Are they legit? All right, and should you be using them in order to find products to sell online? All right, full review on Giddyup. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, just click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy to your email. You can check that out. All right, now I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them are a waste of time. So let's check out Giddyup to find out how this stacks up against all of the other ways that you can generate income on the internet, right? So Giddyup is a very successful affiliate marketing network out there. It's one of the smaller ones, right? But they have been around for quite a few years, since 2013, okay? So what they do is they work with a lot of brands, some very big brands, and I'll show you what those look like in a second. And as an affiliate, as a marketer, you can partner up with Giddyup and apply to become one of their affiliates. Grab your little affiliate link, and when somebody buys from your affiliate link, you make a commission directly from the brand that you want to partner up with and promote. That's kind of how it works, okay? So the only thing about Giddyup is that generally they work with people that are a little bit more experienced. So if you're an absolute beginner and you don't have a following, you're not an influencer, you don't have maybe 5,000 or 10,000 or millions of people following you on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or any of the social media channels, this might be a little bit difficult for you to do. But if you have those, then this might be a good option for you. And I'll talk about, if you're not experienced, keep watching till the end of this video. I'll show you exactly how you can start generating a lot of income with this type of method as well, all right? But these are some of the brands that they work with, okay? So they have about 150 direct-to-consumer brands since 2013. So 150 might sound like a lot, but for an affiliate network, it's quite little, okay? So they don't work with a ton of different people. There are other affiliate networks out there that have thousands of brands that they work with, some of them tens of thousands of brands. So Giddyup is definitely a smaller affiliate marketing network, but they do work with some very interesting and high quality brands, which I'll show you in a minute, all right? So if you are a marketer, if you're somebody that wants to come on here and you want to market different programs, and you don't really necessarily have relationships with people like Osmo or Tracker or KeySmart or LiftX, okay, or Haya, for example, then you would partner up with Giddyup. You would apply to become one of their affiliates. I'll show you how to do that in a second, all right? And then all you do is you grab your link and you promote it to your followers or your network, and when they buy, you make a commission. That's how it works, okay? Now, they have different categories, so you can see some of these products right here, and a lot of the products that Giddyup has are in either the health and wellness space, they're in the travel space, they're in the home and auto, or they're in gadgets, okay? And they have some other categories as well, but these are the biggest categories that they particularly work in, all right? Now, if you want to apply, then you would go to this page right here, all right? And it's what is partner marketing, and you would scroll all the way down, and you would find the section where it says you want to become a marketing partner, and you would click here, I'm ready to apply right now. So you would click on that, and you would go to their little application form, their survey form right here. Okay, apply to be a partner on the bottom, and then you would fill this out, and they would be able to get back in touch with you, all right? Now, the thing about Giddyup is that generally this works really well for people that, again, already have a lot of experience, right? So for example, if you have a marketing blog where you do tech reviews, and you've got 10,000 people coming to your website every single day, 500,000 a month, something like that, then this is great because you can recommend different products that they have. Because if you look at some of their products that they have, right, like Osmo and Kylo and people like that, it's a good fit in to your particular blog perhaps, right? But again, you must have a following already. If you're starting from scratch, it's a little bit more difficult to do this, okay? But if you have that following, then basically you can, and they pay out through either check or bank transfer, all right? Now, every single affiliate program or product has a different commission level and different length of payout, right? So it depends on which product you decide to promote. So for example, if you wanted to promote Better Back or Osmo, for example, they might pay you commissions of 10%. So 10% of the purchase value, okay? Or it might be 5%, or it might be 12%. It just depends on which product that you want to sell. But as an example, Better Back, for example, is one of their partners. They sell at about $60 per unit. So if you're making 10% on this as an affiliate, you're basically making $6, which is not that much, okay, if you think about it. You're gonna have to sell a lot of better back in order for you to make quite a lot of money, right? And it's the same with Kylo. This is one of their other partners, right? It's $49, right? So if the commission rate on this is 10%, I don't know exactly what Kylo is, but generally for physical products, that's how much they pay. It's usually under 10%. So if they gave you a 10% commission, which is quite high for physical products, right? You're making, again, $5 per sale, which is not that much, all right? As an affiliate, you're gonna have to sell a lot of Kylo in this particular example to make a lot of money. So the thing is, they do work with some great people here, but a lot of them are, you know, consumer brands. And a lot of consumer brands, physical products, don't pay super high commissions. That's the only thing I would say about GiddyUp. It doesn't mean that you can't make money. You can, but I think that with this particular type of strategy, you need to already have a massive following on either TikTok or one of the social media accounts, or you need to be a very big blogger and already have a lot of people that come to your blog, and you can just kind of plug this in and you can start generating sales that way. However, if you're a beginner, unfortunately, it might be a little bit difficult for you to start with this because you don't really have a following, so you might not get approved. And the second thing is the commissions are fairly low, all right, because, you know, 10% commissions are quite low for affiliate marketing. And you're not going to generate that much commissions, okay? But as an affiliate network, they are 100% legit. They've been in the market for quite a long time, and some of the brands that they work with are really, really decent brands right here, okay? So I would say that if you're already really experienced and it fits the category, the niche, or the industry, then I would definitely check out GiddyUp, and you can you know, head over to GiddyUp right here. You can apply to be a marketing partner, right? And become one of their affiliates, okay? So you can check out giddyup.io if you would like. Now, if you're here watching this video and you're an absolute beginner, like you have no skills at all, you've heard of affiliate marketing, you want to start selling products online, but you don't know how to do it, you have no experience, what I recommend is you focus on programs that give you higher commissions, okay? So 50, 60, 70% commissions, because it's easier for you to make profit. And the way that you do that is by also focusing on digital products versus physical stuff. So there's a lot of physical stuff right here, but I would recommend doing digital stuff, okay? So that the commissions are higher and also the price points are higher. So instead of selling things like at, you know, $60 or $49, for example, you're selling them at hundreds and thousands of dollars, which allow you to generate more commissions, all right? So if you would like to learn a strategy on how to do that, I've got a free training that will show you exactly how you can go from zero to your first $10,000 a month minimum, right? Using this exact strategy, and I will teach you for free if you would like. Go ahead and click the link below. Get access to my masterclass. I'll send that to you if you would like to check that out, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of GiddyUp. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.